goodness, it's so yummy.
Look, right up there. Salt and pepper right there.
Lauren, what'd you get for breakfast?
Bacon.
Bacon. Mama got the same thing but with sausage.
Yeah, she got bacon for breakfast too.
Alright guys, I'm headed to work. As you guys saw in that last clip, we have finally started taking down the Christmas stuff. Finally, open it up. Why doesn't my phone work all the time? But we have finally decided that we're taking the Christmas stuff down, and it makes me happy because I was so over it. And I love Christmas, but it was just time. It's been way too long. But I'm headed to work. I'm there for 8 hours, and I'll get out at 10 o'clock. Whatever. But I finally got to go to the Scullery, and I don't think I've told you guys this, but the Scullery is one of my favorite places, but I have been wanting to go there for months, and we finally got to. Wow, sorry I'm so shaky. My hand is still blistered, is that what you would say? I don't know. I'm in a weird mood today. I'm in like a very kind of mood today, so it's, I don't know. I need some caffeine in me, I think. My nose is kind of stuffed up. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Do you guys hear it in my voice? Fine. Okay, I'll put my seatbelt on. I feel like such a failure. So I had to work until 11:30 tonight at McDonald's. When I came home, I wasn't thinking about it, and so I went into the shower and got clean and all that stuff. But I didn't upload a video today. When I thought about it for the first time, my heart sunk. For the first time in 7.5 weeks, I think. 6.5 weeks, 7.5 weeks, I don't know. I uploaded a video every day, and today I ruined it. I'm still gonna edit the vlog, and I'm going to put it up, even though it'll be late. Oh my goodness. Ow! Oh my gosh. Look, there's a mark already. Ow! That hurts so bad. What an awful night. What I was saying was, I think, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna edit the vlog, put it up, even though it's late. Man, I don't think, what am I trying to say? I think I have lost my memory. That hurt. I couldn't expect myself to upload a video every single day when I was supposed to. Like, come on, that was an unrealistic goal. Work was a little bit, I had to work for 9 hours, and it was just, I'm gonna stop complaining. The rest of the day, I went to my favorite restaurant, and it was fun. We had people there that I liked. I don't know. It was a good day. It was a good day still. It still was. I'm gonna end the vlog though. If you guys liked today's video, comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.